Hello English learner. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we provide you with some exercises to practice your speaking skills. In exercise 1, we will practice together using the shadowing method. You don't have to wait until it's over. Instead, you speak at the same time with it, trying to copy the rhythm and tone of the dialogue exactly. At first, it can be a bit tricky, but you'll get used to this method. Just like singing along to your favorite song. In exercise 2, we will use the duet method. And finally, we will answer some questions out loud to improve your ability to think and speak in English. Are you ready? Let's get started. Exercise 1, Shadowing. In the first exercise, I want you to listen and try to copy exactly the rhythm and the tone of the dialogue. Don't be afraid to make mistake, okay?
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, boss.
Good morning, George. Hello, you're looking good today, boss.
Yes, any good news today that makes you happy?
Such beautiful weather today. I'm sure not just the weather makes you happy, right? Yeah, actually, I'm joining a painting class.
Oh, really? You're such a diligent learner. Yeah, you always try to learn new things.
Yes, I have been into painting for so long, but I didn't have time to learn. What made you do it this time? One of my friends introduced a really good teacher to me. He is so talented. You won't believe it. Really? Is he famous? You may not know him, but he is the teacher of so many famous artists. He is such a humble person.
We are really looking forward to seeing your artwork, boss.
Yeah, I believe your artwork will be amazing. Thanks, everyone. I will try my best. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. What is that, George? This is one of my paintings. I want to hang it on the office wall. Oh, really? May we have a look? Of course!
Oh my gosh, look how beautiful it is.
Oh, wow! What a delicate abstract painting! What beautiful color work of art it is! Thank you, everyone, for your compliments.
Exercise 2, Duet. Good job! Let's move to the next exercise. So now you're in the conversation. I'm gonna read my lines, and you'll read your lines on the screen. Here we go.
Well, what is it about, boss? It's an abstract painting, right? And the meaning behind it is?
How long did it take you to finish this artwork?
Wow!
So amazing! In such a short time?
Of course, this painting is excellent. Look, this paint streak is so delicate.
Yes, it has created a highlight for the whole picture, making the picture suddenly become very profound. Oh,
Really? That even shows how talented you are. Yeah, just with a simple act, and you generated such a profound brushstroke. No, we are not lying.
boss, don't you believe us?
But I really like the meaning behind it, the different personalities inside a person.
Yes, that sounds very artistic.
But the initial idea is very important though. Many artists can't even have a good idea.
Yes, sir, we always admire your progressive spirit.
Yes.
Let's switch.
Well, what is it about, boss? It's an abstract painting, right? I just wanted to create a picture with many contrasting colors. It feels like those colors are different personalities inside a person. Like more than half an hour.
Wow!
Yes. I'm not sure if it's good, but I like it. But it's just a streak of paint that's left when I tried to clean the paint off the brush.
Oh,
Come on, everyone. You don't need to comfort and encourage me that way. I know I'm still not good enough. No, you're not lying. I know you all just want to motivate me. Come on. A random brushstroke created a highlight for the whole picture. How silly it is. It's okay, everyone. I know I need to practice a lot more, but thank you for encouraging me. But I really like the meaning behind it, the different personalities inside a person. But the way I convey it through the picture is a failure. Next time, I will show you truly beautiful artwork. Is it okay? Now, it's time to get back to work. Yes.
Exercise 3, Question and Answer.
1. What extra class did George join in? He joined in a painting class.
2. Why did George decide to attend the class? He has been into painting for so long, and then one of his friends introduced a really good teacher for him.
3. How did people react when they saw George's painting? Everyone praised and cheered for George. 4. How does George feel? George feels that people are flattering him too much, and he knows he's not good enough. 5. What did George promise at the end? He promised to show a truly beautiful artwork next time.
Okay, so that's the end of today's lesson. Repeating and shadowing dialogues is a great way to improve your speaking skills in a foreign language, as it helps you become more familiar with the natural rhythm and intonation of the language. Recording yourself can also be an effective way to identify areas where you need to improve, such as pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. Overall, consistent practice and repetition are key to improving your speaking skills in a foreign language.